How to enable TikTok viewer history. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the option profile given at the bottom right corner. Once over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now head over to the option settings and privacy. Here you're gonna find different section. Under account, you're gonna find the option of privacy. Click on that. Now scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the option of viewers. Click on that. Now from here, you can easily enable TikTok viewer history. All you have to do is enable for this option. Now you'll be able to see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. If others have this setting turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or post. Now I can head back to the profile page. Now at the top right, you're gonna find this icon. Clicking on that, you'll be able to find the viewer list. So this way you can easily enable TikTok viewer history. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.